Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't hear the sound for your music if you're playing YouTube or Spotify or something like that. Now, this is an easy fix. So what I want to do is press the PlayStation button and then go on down to where it says sound. Then scroll on down to media volume and make sure the volume for music and video is turned up enough. I had this situation where I had video clips all the way turned down to the left, and I couldn't figure out why I couldn't hear any of the video clips. So for your music and video clips, make sure both of these are turned up all the way to the right so you can hear them. Also, do the same thing for your headset volume right here. So we have a slider for my Turtle Beach headset on the top as well. So when those are up, we should be good in terms of that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.